Hi everyone, this is Avinash from Androidpure.com, and today we are at the launch event of Realme 2 Pro, which is the higher end version of Realme 2 that was launched exactly 1 month ago. Realme 2 phone comes with a dewdrop display, which is a minimal notch, you can say, where the selfie lens, a proximity sensor, and earpiece is placed using that notch. You may have seen the similar design in Oppo F9. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080p pixels. In terms of pixel density, it is 409 ppi, which is good enough. And in terms of aspect ratio, the display is 19.5:9. Right. The phone display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. At the moment, we are not sure which version of Gorilla Glass it is, and we'll check it out later on. In terms of screen to body ratio, the company claims to offer a 90.8% of screen to body ratio. The phone runs on ColorOS 5.2, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, which is basically a mid-range processor having a decent performance. There are three variants of the device that the company has launched, with the base variant of 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB of internal storage, while the next variant comes with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, while and the highest variant or the premium variant comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. There is a dedicated micro SD card slot in addition to dual SIM card slot, so you can use both SIM cards and micro SD card at the same time. In terms of camera, Realme 2 Pro sports a dual rear camera with a 16 megapixel Sony IMX398 sensor having an aperture of f1.7, which means that you can take much better images in low light conditions. It comes with the secondary sensor at the rear, which is basically a 2 megapixel uh, sensor, which is used for capturing the depth information. It also offers electronic image stabilization for video recording. At the moment, we are not sure how good that will be, but we will check it out when we do the full detailed review. While on the front, the phone comes with a single 16 megapixel selfie lens, which can be used for taking selfies and making video calls. And obviously, there is a support for artificial intelligence. On the rear, you also have the fingerprint sensor, which can be used to unlock your phone, in addition to the face unlock that is available via the front camera. The phone is backed by a battery of 3500 mAh. Now let's talk about the availability of Realme 2 Pro. The phone will be available in three colors, that is Ice Lake, Black Sea and Blue Ocean. Let's talk about the pricing. The base variant, that is 4 GB RAM variant, is priced at 13,990 rupees, while the 6 GB RAM variant is priced 15,990 rupees, and the premium variant, that is the 8 GB variant, is priced 17,990 rupees. The company terms it as introductory pricing. So that's it. Before we wrap up, the the phone will be available on Flipkart exclusively starting October 11th during their Big Billion sale. So that's it. Hopefully, we'll be doing a full detailed review of Realme 2 Pro soon. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.